Avid Interior Fair 2025 and presently I am at Ish Interiors with the owner. So, what message you would like to convey?
So basically, Ish Interiors was formed about 25 years ago. So we have a work experience of 25 years ago. It all started with two partners called Pooja Dua and Sujit Singh Dua. And now after 25 years, we have created a brand name that we all like to cherish. So basically here what today we have portrayed on our stall is it is a basic lounge which has all the basic requirements with everything what you need. So basically the whole concept depends on the basic necessities of a basic lounge. So here if you come down, the sofas will be complementing the paddings, the wallpapers and everything. And moreover than that, it all started with a dream. Ish Interior started with a dream, and today our main motto is to make the dreams come into reality for other customers and clients of ours. So that's what I want to convey for our Ish Interiors. And other than that, for EBIT exhibition, it's been 34 years for EBIT now this year. And EBIT gives you more innovative and creative ideas every year, coming up with new programs and new innovations so that all the other onlookers find it mesmerizing and more, they find more creativity out of everything. So they like to come here, look out for everything, work on their budget, and work with their projects after that. So EBIT is a very good platform for building architectures, builders, and interior designers, and all the others who work along with them. So that's how EBIT goes, and that's how Ish Interiors work with EBIT. Thank you.